guys, I gotta go to work. I'm really supposed to be off today, but listen, okay? I gotta go cut my brother's hair. I gotta go get my hair cut, okay? First of all, I gotta go get my hair cut. We're about to go to the Barnum Brothers show. Let's go. All right, right now, I'm gonna get my hair cut by the famous Relly Bo Barber.
I'm not famous, but I guess that works.
It's about to be a good one. About to be the best. The
Bird Box.
Do not take your blindfolds off.
About to receive the best cut that I get on a regular.
On the regular, man.
On a regular.
On the regular.
Let's go.
You can say that. Don't make your forehead like that, bro. Make your hairline look good.
Clean, crispy, taper, medium well done. You know, medium well.
Medium well.
That's how I like it. How do you feel about yourself right now?
Man, you know, I just gave Jared a VIP service and cut his hair. It's just Jared. But hey, follow me on YouTube. Hey, cut it out, man. Follow me on YouTube at Relly Bo Barber. And also follow my Instagram at Relly Bo Barber for daily content. I mean, I don't post like that, but it's whatever.
We're out of here. All right, you guys, I'm about to go and finish my day. I appreciate Relly Bo Barber for giving me this crispy lineup, taper, cut looking nice. But yeah, I'm out. Uncle Kev, you ready? You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, you guys, so we're here.
Watch your arm. Gotta get the bags out. Come on, baby.
We're here, and yeah, we gotta flight the cat. So I'll see you guys either on the plane or inside the, you know, I'm not gonna bring you guys to security because you know what happened last time.
Is that camera on? You have to turn it off.
I have to turn it off?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Denied.
Yeah. All right, so this scene, this scene looks tad bit familiar. Basically, I was here last time I did it, but yeah, we're on our way to security. I gotta put the phone up. I mean, the camera. Definitely gotta put this up. Look, all right, you guys, I don't even feel like explaining what happened. I don't even feel like explaining what I've been through. Okay, let's just go to bed and resurface this tomorrow. Okay, how about that? Uncle had us walk all the way from the hotel. That was a long walk. My feet is hurting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah, we have a good time.
My check. Where's my mic?
They don't even know I'm here. They don't even know I'm here.
My check.
Jesus, what's down with it, son?
It's good. It's good.
You did a troop for real, son. Video with the wig, I just started mine too.
Started?
Yeah, a little.
Hey, thank you.
Good work.
Thank you. Fonz don't even know I'm right here. Fonz don't even know I'm right here.
Okay.
Fonz don't even don't even know.
YouTube, y'all know it. You can't put these three hands to turn the camera
time.
on.
Hey, I
You
need somebody
can't
to
do
fix my
this.
hair.
You
I
can't.
need somebody to fix my pump.
Hey, hey.
I need somebody.
I want Jeezy to put his spin on it.
Jeez, what's
Let Jeezy bless you, man. He had it before. You gotta let him bless you, bro. Hey, YouTube, it's only right. It's only right that Fonz let Jeezy bless him. He had it 5 years ago, so it kind of looked crazy on video with me bringing it back. But he was one of the originators for YouTube. Let's let him smoke it. Let's let him add his flavor to it, and we gonna have fun. And we up here, we in New Orleans, man. We in New Orleans.
Chris, talk to me.
What's up, bro?
My bad.
You good?
My bad.
Man, long time no see, man.
Long time.
What you got on your feet? Good. I almost scored though. But I'm afraid of CT. Okay.
I'm wearing them to CT, so you can't do it.
I knew you had them, so I was nervous. I'm like, damn, Jeezy might wear them.
Nah,
He
not
was gonna wear
here.
those, so I'm like,
Come on, Dre. Come on, Dre.
what's up, bro? Come on, man.
I only had one pair. You had like 6.
I mean, two, just 2 pairs.
So I can rock this.
Extra purple for you. What's up, Jeezy?
I'm
Look,
about to end
he
it.
was finna transition, so I'ma do it for him.
I don't know whether you guys seen that or not, but let me take a seat here. Listen, sometimes you gotta take the opportunity when the opportunity presents itself. Here's what I'm talking about.
Ready, sir?
Ready. Nobody's seen that. Let's not act like if y'all were around that many people, your hands wouldn't be shaking either.
We gotta make this work, Bob. Not like that. We gotta make this work.
YouTube, listen up, alright? You guys are probably wondering, Jeezy, what the heck are you doing blowing on his forehead? See, the thing is that the blow dryer, the charger that it was hooked up to, it ran out, okay? So I had to improvise, okay? If you guys know anything about improvising, sometimes you got to blow your breath to get things across. You know what I mean? No? I could use a fan or something. I could have used something else. I could have used a paper, something to fan him off with, huh? Something else. But when you hit the heat of the moment like that and everybody is watching you, you'll do anything at this point. Don't judge me.
Snapping the hell out of them hairs. Every hair strand is snapping.
Can we finish my hairline? That doesn't mean that. My neck hurts.
That's exactly what it means.
That don't mean that. Breathe.
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, come on. I'm not gonna lie, they definitely crunched though. They definitely crunched.
See, some of you guys don't know the amount of pressure that has to...
Really? Oh, pressure?
Yes.
Pressure? Let me tell you pressure. That haircut was pressure. No. True pressure was that lady that did my eyebrows, and this guy was putting the pressure on her in front of all those people.
Hey.
And how many people were in the live?
I don't know,
Bro,
but we need to show him right now.
But that can't turn this damn screen.
Yeah.
I'll do his eyebrows.
You want to do his eyebrows?
She wanted, are you? Are you real enough to let somebody in the crowd do them?
Hey. Her eyebrows
hey,
on fleek.
This
Her
is
eyebrows are on fleek.
Her eyebrows on fleek?
Yep.
On and take over. Yeah. I mean, it's a big crowd.
You know how to use a razor?
She said, we'll see.
She knows how to use a razor. She knows how to use a razor.
Is she responding like me?
She knows how to use a
You
razor.
gotta teach.
She's playing, yo.
Hey, I'm willing to bet she know what she doing.
She knows how to do it. She knows how to
You're out of my
I don't even know her.
We pick somebody out of the crowd.
Can I at least know your name before you do my eyebrows?
Start sweating. Give her a heart.
No, that's just tape.
I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know what the pressure is on right now. In front of billions of people right now. You in the live crowd. There's a bunch of people here. Ladies and I gotta here on this live. The time is yours.
I mean, that's
Let's go.
Like South right here.
Fonz is over here being real confused, trying to find the Uber guy. You know what I mean? I mean, come on, make up your mind.
Are you talking about me?
I mean, no, not at all. Not at all. Not at all, Fonz. Not at all.
I just want oxtails, Jeezy.
Oh, no y'all didn't. Fonz! Fonz! No y'all didn't. Wow. Fonz, get back here! Y'all thought that I was gonna get my eyebrows done? Fonz! I'm booking cases on all you subscribers. Oh, y'all gonna do this to me? Y'all gonna do you disloyal subscribers. You disloyal subscribers. Fonz! You subscribers will be waving in Pelican Bay after I get through with you. Brushing your hair with a toothbrush, player. Who the heck y'all think y'all messing with? I'm 360 Jeezy. Y'all just live here. And Fonz, you better walk away. King Kong ain't